Hi all, good morning. Okay, the last class we are discussing the second chapter, we can add. Did you study the addition? One digit addition, one digit addition, two digit addition. Did you study that? I hope you all have studied well the addition. Okay, now let us start our same chapter, we can add some problems. Then let us see the problems. Okay. Then listen. As the first one is the banana cost rupees 56 and lemon cost rupees 44. The total means what? 100 rupees. The banana cost plus lemon cost is equal to what? 100 rupees. Okay. Then 56 plus 44 equal to what? 100. 56 plus 44 equal to what? Is also given. This is also 100 is given. The total cost is 100. Okay. Then how to split these numbers 56 and 43 to get 100? Do you remember how to write the pairs to make a 70? That's our homework question. How to make the pairs? Same method we can use here. Okay, make the pairs. Okay, then we will get 100. First of all, we are making 56 plus 44. First we are writing 56. Then we are writing this 44. How to get the pairs? To get a 44. You split this 44. Split this number 44. How to split it? So we can write 40 plus 4. What is 40 plus 4 also? 44. Understood? We already know that 56 plus 44 equal to 100. Then we are splitting one number 44. We can write 40 plus 4, 44. This is also what? 100. Then how to write these numbers in different way? Can you see? How to write these numbers in different way? First of all, we are splitting 56. How to write 56? 50 plus 6. 50 plus 6 what? 56. Then the 44 is right. Same number right. This also what? 100. Okay. Then one boy went to the market. He bought banana cost is 56 rupees. Lemon cost is 44 rupees. Then total is 100. That boy thinking how to get 100 in different way. Understood? One boy went to the market. He bought a banana and the lemon. The cost are given here. Total price is 100. He thought how to make 100 in different ways. Understood? Then we are making the two different ways. 56 plus 40 plus 4 equal to 100. 50 plus 6 equal to 44 equal to 100. Then can you say the last one? Then again 56 plus, then we are write what? 40. 2 plus 2 equal to what? 100. 42 plus 2 what? 42, 43, 44. Then again we can read 56 plus 42 plus 4 equal to 100. That boy thinking the different way. So we can write only 3 way. You make two more ways. Okay, there are the same numbers. You are making the two more numbers. Okay, 2 more ways you can write. 2 more ways you can write in the same problem. Okay, these problems also given in your textbook. You do it. Understood? Next problem is Ammu bought 2 kilograms of sugar and 2 kilograms of dal. Sugar and dal both are bought 2 kilograms. Okay. Then from the shop, cost of 1 kilogram of sugar is 35 rupees and dal is rupees 68. How much money did she pay? Here giving Ammu bought 2 kilogram sugar and 2 kilogram dal. but 1 kilogram cost is given. Understood? Only 1 kilogram cost is given. 1 kilogram of sugar 35, 1 kilogram of dal 68. We want to find out 2 kilograms of sugar and 2 kilograms of dal. How to find out 2 kilograms of sugar cost and 2 kilograms of dal cost? Then we have no need to space here, so I rub here. Okay, children, first we can find out 2 kilograms of sugar. 2 kilograms of sugar. This given already given 1 kilogram sugar equal to what? 35 rupees. 1 kilogram dal equal to 68 rupees. So how to find out 2 kilograms of sugar? Adding 2 times 35. Understood? Adding 2 times 35. Because 1 kilogram sugar is 35. 2 kilogram sugar equal to 35 plus 35. Do it. 35 plus 35. Add this. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. 10. 1 is the carryover. 3 plus 3. 6. 6 plus 1. 7. You got it what? 70 rupees. 2 kilogram sugar is 70 rupees. Then we have to find out 2 kilogram of dal. 1 kilogram dal is 68. So adding 2 times of 68. Okay. Then add 68 plus 68. What is the answer? 68 plus 68. Then how to add 8 plus 8? 8 plus 8. Take 8 fingers in your hand. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is this? 16. How to write 16? Do you know how to write it? The 6 is right here. 1 is the carryover. What is? 1 is the carryover. This is also 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 0 is right here. 1 is the carryover. Do you know what is carryover? Carryover. You can say system. Carryover. You heard the word carryover. So 8 plus x is 16. 6 is right here. 1 is the carryover. Put in the 6 up. This is 1 is the carryover. Understood? So 6 plus 6 what? Take your 6 fingers in your hand. Count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1. 1 is the carryover. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. We got 136. Okay. Then how much money did she pay? How much money did she pay? The total how much money did she pay? The 2 kilogram of sugar is 70 rupees. 2 kilogram of dal is 136 rupees. So the total amount paid is 70 plus 136. So we can write 100 tens ones. 136 plus 70. Add starting from the ones place. Add it. 6 plus 0, 6. Is it clear? Then 7 plus 3 what? 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. How to write it 10? 0 is right here. 1 is the carryover. Understood? 1 plus 1 what? 2. Then we got the answer is 206 rupees. Then Ammu paid how much rupees in the shop? 206 rupees. Understood? So in this problem 1 kilogram only given. We want to find out the 2 kilogram of sugar and 2 kilogram of dal. So this is 2 is given, we are adding 35 2 times. Understood? We got 30. Again 2 kilograms of dal, means 1 kilogram course we are adding 2 times, we have got 136. Okay, then we add it and we got 206 rupees. In this addition, we learned one new word, carry over. This is the carry over. Understand? Then 0 is right here, 1 is the carry over. Understood all? So we are discussing the 2 problems only today. Then if you have any doubt about this problem, we will discuss our Google Meet. Okay children, bye. Catch up later. Discussing addition. The one's table is given rows and columns. Then add together the numbers horizontally, vertically and diagonally. What is horizontal? This is the horizontal line. This is the vertical line. Vertical line. That is how to add this diagonally, like this. This is diagonally. Diagonally. Understood? So we can add these numbers together. First of all horizontal, second one is vertical. First we are writing the numbers in horizontal. Horizontal. 128. Plus, first of all, we are writing, this is the 3-digit number, so we are writing 100, tens, ones. So we can write 128 horizontally. 128, 121, 126. 126. Add these numbers. Add these numbers. 6 plus 1, what is 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8 what? 7 plus 8. Take your 8 fingers in your hand, count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The last problem we are saying 15. This is a 2-digit number. So this 5 is write down. 1 is the carryover. This is the ones place. Yeah, adding the ones place we go to 15. So we can write 5 is right here. 1 is the carryover. You are writing tens place. Writing tens place. Understood all? Then add 2 plus 2 at 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Using your fingers, then add it. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3 ones is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. We got the answer is what? 375. This we add in the horizontal. Next we can add the vertical. 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 Then this is what is, this is the vertical. Then first you write 100, tens, ones. 128, then 123, then 124. Add these 4 numbers. Add these numbers. Can you see this? I think is not see. Vertical I can write here. Vertical 100, tens, ones. 128, 123, 124. This is a vertical. Okay, vertically we can write. Then add it, plus sign. Add 4 plus 3, 7. This is also 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Same method. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Again got 15. 5 is right here. 1 is the carryover. Can put in the 1 tens place. Understood? Then 2 plus 2 at a 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 1 plus 1 what? 3. Again we got what? Vertically add it, we got 375. Horizontally add it, we got 375. Vertically add these numbers together, we get out. We got also 370. How to write the diagonally? Diagonally how to write here? Then I rub here diagonally. diagonally. What is diagonal? Only one diagonally. One example, each one examples only I given the diagonally 128, 125, 122 or 126, 125, 124. Then we are writing tens, ones, hundred. This we are writing 126, 125, 124. Others column you should do. Okay, just copy. Then this problem is given in your textbook. You just copy this table in your notebook and do it. Other vertical lines and vertical and horizontal and also diagonal. You do it. Okay, I am only given the 3 examples. Okay, children, you just copy and do it the other problems. Okay, how to get them? Diagonally, how to get the numbers. Next step. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 what? 5 keep in your mind. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 6 what? Take your 6 fingers. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again got 15. 5 is right here. 1 is the carry over. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 1 plus 1 what? Again 3. We got 375. Then add together these numbers horizontally, vertically or diagonally. We got the answer is 375. Understood all? I am given only 3 each one example of horizontal, vertical and diagonally. You just copy this table in your notebook and do it other columns and rows. Okay, children. Then let's wind up the class now. Then we will meet the next time. Okay, we'll catch up later. Bye.